starting off this day right. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As they say, finishing up this whole summer like mods to the Banshee. I'll show you in just a second. We do have the roll design steering stem installed, plus two. We have the Ricky Carmichael bend handlebars on, the ASV levers, but I have to install, I don't have that in front of me, but I have a wiring harness from South Texas Banshee, really super slick piece. And right now the e-brake cable is still attached to the bike. I'm deleting that right now. This is a Lone Star e-brake block off, because right now the bike won't rev up. It's like stuck on e-brake mode, so it revs up that much. And yeah, I have to delete. You can see the cable sticking up there. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. We'll see what we record. I'm gonna try to make this a little bit better than my last videos. So yeah, I'll jump into this one and see what we get. I'm gonna go check and make sure it's not pulling. Oh, it just got stuck right here. I've never done this before, but it looks like it's just gonna kind of pull free. I don't think it's attached to anything. Yeah. There it goes. All right, so e-brake's off. I'm gonna bolt up the block off plate right now, and hopefully that takes care of everything. I always hated how this looks. Like these like guides for the cable. I hate when quads don't have those, and now my quad doesn't have that. It looks pretty trash, but oh well, what can you do? Let me bolt this on and we'll see where we're at. All right, so cable's off, block off plate's on. I didn't look if this takes care of everything. I don't know if it's gonna start up right now and actually rev. I hope it does. I might have to go, which I am gonna do anyways, but I might have to do the harness. So let's see. Find out right now. Stuck on e-brake right now. It's not good because I don't know what to do to fix that. Might have to consult a professional. This is the harness that I ordered from Kevin's, aka South Texas Banshee. It's really super nice. I've never messed with wiring like in car. Like anytime I had stuff to do with like motor swaps in cars or on this bike or anything, I'm not a wiring guy. I don't know how to do it. This right here is like a different language to me, but what I'm gonna do is just go, I guess, piece by piece and just like kind of like I don't think counter engineer is the right word for it, but just basically unplug stuff and then plug stuff in from here, and let's see what we can do. All right, so my partner in crime, my assistant in life itself has noticed that the swap harness here doesn't have a green wire that this bike has, and this is a e-brake delete harness. So I think the mystery solved why the bike was doing what it was just doing. Alright, so we did a couple Googles, couple YouTubes, and we figured out how to unplug this stuff. I mean, you do just pretty much literally unplug it. There's tabs, you just have to figure out which way the tabs go. Like I said, I'm not a wiring guy, so I just wanted to make sure I didn't break stuff and I am connecting stuff properly, but it looks like we're on the way, so we'll keep riding here. Definitely balls deep in this removal / installation here. Some of these connectors are just hard as hell to get to. And luckily my wife's here with her 2 hands and her skinny fingers because she's kicking butt on this project.
Yeah.
Alright, so everything's plugged back in. Old harness is completely out, new harness is completely plugged in. I just have to zip tie everything where it needs to go. I'm not sure what to do with this quite yet. It's installed, but it looks weird. I need to figure that out. But right now I'm just gonna see if the bike starts. This is the moment of truth here. Let's see. It should. Grandma's sitting right here eating 2-stroke smoke. I'm sorry, Grandma, just turned 80. All right, once again, the brains of the operation. This little cap screws on here. Go ahead, you do the finishing touch. And that just screws right on there. And there's the ignition. Pretty cool. I mean, we'll see how everything holds up to being right next to all these. Oh, look at the filter come off. Oh my God. Alright, so that is gonna do it, minus this little flat tire we're doing. Everything else is in good working order again. Come here, take a look at the bars. I gotta tighten everything up. When I drove it up the street just now, I forgot not everything's in place, and the throttle kind of turned on me. That was funny. I was, what the fuck, or what the heck? But yeah, pretty cool. Nice bars, nice clamp, nice stem. We just did the whole wiring harness, and the ignition install is pretty cool. Just right under the seat now. Kind of something we'll have to get used to. Oh fuck! Look at the fender. Look at the filter. I cannot get these filters to stay on this bike. I just rode it up the street just now, and that thing popped off. But yeah, the install for the harness was, I guess, straightforward. I don't know. Oh, that's right. You know what? Come around here. That's what I still have to do. Besides fix that filter, this needs to go over like that. So I need to take this off and just run the thing run that hose the other way, because it's gonna come in contact with the swing arm. Let me see. So that's the next thing, but that's pretty much it. I'm pretty happy with where the bike is right now. It's cool not having all the Tours plugs just kind of like bouncing around there next to the carbs where they used to be. That harness is really good quality. I'm happy with that. Shout out to South Texas Banshee. But I guess that's it. I'm gonna go get away from that. Just checking out the little. Yeah, that harness is cool. It doesn't have any electrical tape on it like the OEM one. It's got the nice like shrink wrap or whatever it's called on there. So, but anyways, that is it for the bike. It's about to be riding season, and I'm looking forward to taking this thing out. Looking forward to reinstalling the air filter and then taking this baby out, maybe tomorrow morning even. So, all right, guys, that's gonna do it. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that good stuff. See you soon. Come on, man, before the cops come.